know you're an economist, not a politician. We can be dirty, but after fighting, we still go and have a drink. There's a sport called rugby. Rugby is the only sport where men tackle each other so tough, where others break each other's bones. And I can tell you that my working relationship with Kasukwere as Minister of Local Government and me being an MP, so far, so good. Excellent. I'm delivering to the people of Norton, and that's all they want to hear. Who are meeting, they don't care. Whatever we do after that, they equally don't care in case you have anything in your mind. You know, equally, you must understand that. And I think, yes, your Photoshop, we're not moved by that and so forth. We continue with the business of the day, and we'll continue to do that. The president of MDC is living in a government house. Does that make him ZANU-PF? He's being taken care of by ZANU-PF. Does that make ZANU-PF? I don't get anything from ZANU-PF. I don't get anything from ZANU-PF. So let's not allow stupid issues, because we can equally respond. We can equally give you answers. That does not make him compromised. That for another day over a beer. Let's not go into that. Don't open a can of worms. Don't open a can of worms. You know, let's not open a can of worms. And listen, if I was homosexual, I would be the first person to say I am, because I have a right to that. I have a right to that. I don't fight them. I don't have an issue. I have an issue with those who are not open. I've got my daughter whose friends are that way inclined. I cannot say you can't bring them to our house. Those are your friends. We've got top people in offices who are that way inclined, as long as there's nothing to do with me. So if you know me, if I was homosexual, I would certainly say so, because there's nothing wrong with that. It is freedom of association. Let's not be democratic and choose when to exercise democracy. The world is that. The top leaders, the generals are like that. Just that Zimbabwe must be open. In fact, if I was the president of this country, I would actually make sure that people are free to associate with whoever they want. There's no point hiding it when it is happening. In this country, there are so many young kids who are into it, but because we're not open, they are doing it clandestinely, which is more dangerous. I have a daughter who's 25. I allow her to bring a boyfriend at my friends out there. I don't know. That's my thinking. I don't stop her. I don't stop her. And it's good I know the thing, young man. If there are any problems, I can go to him. Next, I stop her from me meeting the young man. She's going out with some old man out there who is... No. So we've got to be independent in terms of that. So you don't think I get moved by that. If Temba was gay or homosexual, I would. In fact, my daughter helped me to understand that bit. I said it the other day. When I went to Durban for a graduation, she said to me, "This is my friend, this is the way he is. Excellent young man, intelligent, and so forth." You know, he even joked with me and says, "You know, Mr. Mliswa, if Alex was... if I was straight, I would not go out with your daughter because she's so difficult." You know. So to me, we are in a modern world where these things are happening, but we want to hide them. We want to pretend as if they're not happening. We had the president here, the former president, who was that way inclined. Did we not? We did. So what's so new to Zimbabwe? If there's anything through that president, in respect of him, we should now open it up. He served the country well as a president. In honor of him, who he was, let it be, and let people be allowed to do what they want to do. Why should we worry about that? Yes.